This is the reason why you're not growing your online business during recession. Let us show you how you can use YouTube to boost your business in 2023. Let's get started! This is Yugo Media. First, understand how important YouTube is for your business. Did you get that clear? With over 2 billion active monthly users, making it the second largest search engine in the world after Google. By using YouTube, you have access to a massive audience that can help grow your business during recession. There are different ways we can use YouTube to our advantage. The first one, creating engaging content is key to attracting and retaining viewers. If you haven't seen our channel, we have a lot of tips on how to create good and engaging content. It's important to create content that will keep your viewers. That's one of the most important things, to keep the viewers engaged and coming back for more. I know we always say this, but your content has to be informative, entertaining, and visually appealing. You can watch our other videos to know a little bit more. Second, ensure to optimize your video for search. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial when it comes to getting your video seen by the right people. Little piece of advice we can give you on how to optimize your videos for search, which a lot of platforms are using right now, like YouTube, Google, Instagram, and TikTok. You have to include your keyword research and use tags and description effectively. If you want to know more about this, please leave us a comment and we can make a whole new video for this. Now, the tools. Creating quality content can be time-consuming, and we know that, and also challenging. Well, now, let's discuss some tools that can help you create better content. If you haven't seen our lighting video or other videos at our channel, you can click right here and you can go learn something new today. Go check it because it's really important. Video editing tools. Adobe Premiere Pro. It offers advanced editing tools, effects, transitions, and audio editing capabilities. I love it. It's my favorite. If you're an Apple user, Final Cut Pro is a video editing software designed for Mac users. You can also synchronize your Apple products with it, which is awesome. If your thing is working by the phone, you have to try CAPCUT. It offers creative templates, effects, transitions, even music and sounds. Now, graphic design tools. Whether you're an artist, designer, or creator, you can use these three. Adobe Photoshop. I'm pro Adobe Suite. As the whole Adobe Suite, it's one of the most complete graphic design software that is widely used for image editing, retouching, and creating visually appealing graphics. It offers an extensive range of tools and features for creating stunning designs. Canva is one user-friendly online graphic design platform that provides templates, elements that you can custom, and a wide range of design options. It is completely suitable to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, a lot more. And speaking of AI, everyone knows what AI is, right? You need to try DALL-E, which is a revolutionary design tool powered by artificial intelligence. It has the ability of generating images from text descriptions. It opens up a world of creative possibilities, really. By simply describing your vision, DALL-E can create unique and detailed visuals, from real pictures to fantasy pictures. It's awesome. This AI-powered tool pushes the boundaries of traditional design, for sure, and offers a new way to bring ideas to life. Now, talking about the ideas, okay, we know it's time-consuming, but I'll give you these tools that you would love. The first one is ChatGPT, an invaluable research copywriting tool driven by advanced language modeling. It has natural language processing capabilities. It assists in crafting compelling and engaging content. From blog posts to social media captions, ChatGPT provides suggestions, generates ideas, and refines your writing. Enhances your copy with creativity and precision. But it needs a human to tell it what to do. Trello. I love Trello. It's a project management tool that can be used for idea organization and task management. It provides a visual board where you can create cards, add notes, and move them across different stages of your idea development process. It also supports collaboration and team communication. If you want to know more tools, just go to this video. Now that you know these tools, let's talk about something. Last but not least, engaging with your audience is crucial when it comes to building a community and growing your business. You can engage with your audience with creative content, comments, collaborations, pretty much everything. Having a strong presence and value proposition is the key. With YouTube, you have the opportunity to grow your business by creating engaging content with a value proposition, as I said before, that represents your brand and engages with your audience. You can absolutely take your business to the next level with us. You don't know how? Leave us a comment. We'll give you a free trial session.